In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe email receipts. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, Stripe will automatically send your customers a receipt every time a payment goes through successfully. This is a great way to build trust, reduce support questions, and keep your records clear. Start by opening your Stripe dashboard in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, you should land on your main home dashboard. This is the central place where you see your recent payments, payouts, and other key information about your business activity. From here, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Anytime you need to change how Stripe behaves for your business, this is usually where you'll start. After clicking the gear, you'll be taken to the settings area. On this page, find and click on the section labeled Business. This section controls settings that apply to your overall business account, not just individual payments. It's where Stripe keeps things like your business details, branding, and emails. Inside the business settings, look toward the top for a tab or drop-down labeled More. Click on this More option. Stripe sometimes groups less frequently accessed settings under this area, so it's easy to miss if you're not looking for it. When the additional options appear, you want to find and select Customer Emails. Click on Customer Emails to open the page where you can manage the different types of messages Stripe sends on your behalf. This is where you control things like receipts, payment notifications, and other automated emails. On the Customer Emails page, focus on the section labeled Payments at the top. In this section, you'll see different types of payment-related emails that you can enable or disable. Look for the option called Successful Payments. This is the setting that tells Stripe to send an email receipt when a payment is completed successfully. Next to Successful Payments, you'll see a toggle switch. If it's currently off, click the toggle to turn it on. Once it's switched on, Stripe will automatically email receipts to your customers whenever their payment succeeds using the email address they provide at checkout. That's all you need to do. You've now set up Stripe email receipts for successful payments, ensuring your customers receive clear, automatic confirmations right in their inbox.